In April 2011, Megan and I chartered a 32-foot Catalina in the Whitsundays. It was our first cruise together and laid the foundations for us buying a boat and then preparing to sail across the Pacific later on.
So here we have Megan helming in the morning. Unfortunately, there's a cloud in front of us. We're heading kind of east, so the sun's there. Got one reef in the main. Because out behind, before we got behind this island, it was going.
The trip was fantastic. The beauty of the Whitsundays worked its charm on us, and at the end of our 6 days on board, we knew that cruising was something we would both enjoy and agreed to move on with stage 2 of our plan, buying a boat in Sydney to start cruising the New South Wales coast.